how to use app pinning or pin app on Moto Edge 15 Fusion or Moto 15 series. Tap the recent apps on the device. Tap the app icon. If you find the pin app, then tap on it. If you can't find the pin app, so make sure enable the app pinning. To enable it, open the app drawer on your device. Go to settings. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap on security and privacy. Now scroll down at the end. You can see more security and privacy. Tap on it. Now scroll down at the end. You can find the app pinning option. Tap on it. Now toggle on use app pinning. Tap on OK. Now when you pin any app, you can only access this screen. Also enable lock device when unpinning the screen. You need to set up this if you want to use this feature. Now go back. Tap the recent app. Now tap on app and you can see the pin option. Tap on a pin. Now app is pin. Got it. Now app pin message on your screen. Now you can only access the Google Chrome on your device. To use another screen, you need to unpin the app. Let's see. When you try to go back, you need to see unpin this app. So unpin the app. You need to touch and hold the back and resend button if you want to use another screen. Now app unpin. Now you can go back to another screen. That's it. If you like it, share it.